Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you a pretty cool Rapala's exotic fishing glitch. Well, it's not a glitch, it's kind of a troll. So what you do is you're just going to kind of float around here, and I hope you guys notice that, but so you're going to go over here. You can do a couple of these, but I'm going to show you the glitch on how to get out of the map, and it usually works for me. That's not what you do, what you do over there. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so you hold the Z button, and you're gonna go, you hold the Z button, and then you press the trigger, and then it glitches you out. Okay, now you're gonna go over here, and go where these little buoys are. You're gonna go where these little buoys are, and then you're gonna go, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna press Z and trigger. Oh, and you're out of the map. See? Now, if you want to go back into the map, then you're gonna have to go like this. Okay. Okay, so there's the other side of the map. There's the other side of the map. You're gonna hold Z, and you're gonna go, and you're out. Okay, and that's my video for you guys today. Hope you liked it, and I hope to make more.